This video is for educational purpose only. All the contents provided here are for educational purpose. Today we will learn about the anatomy of vagina. So first is the parts of vagina. You can see the parts are labia majora, labia minora, urethral opening, clitoris, vaginal orifice, and mons pubis. So what is labia? Labia means lip-like. So it is just like the two lips. One is a majora, the major lips, and minora, the minor lips. Clitoris is just like the glans penis. It is a stimulating organ of the female, and the vaginal orifice is for sexual activity. The urethral opening is for urinating. And what is mons pubis? It is the fatty cushion tissue. The next is the blood supply for vagina. It generally comes from internal iliac artery. You can see in the left side, that is actually the branch of common iliac. So internal iliac artery supplies the vagina with the help of vaginal artery. And internal iliac artery also supplies the uterus by uterine artery. Now sometimes these uterine artery also supplies the vagina. So sometimes if a female contains both, like uterine artery and vaginal artery, then sometimes anastomosis can also occur between these two artery, that is uterine artery and vaginal artery. But mainly if we say which artery supplies the vagina, then we will say vaginal artery, that is the branch of internal iliac artery supplies the vagina. And sometimes the vaginal branch from the uterine artery also supplies the vagina. So these are the blood supply of vagina. So after arterial supply, now we will learn about the venous drainage for the vagina. The venous drainage for vagina are mainly maintained by venous plexus. The main venous plexus is vaginal venous plexus, VVP, vaginal venous plexus, and another is uterine venous plexus. So these both, like uterine venous plexus, mainly from the uterus and sometimes from the vagina, mainly the vaginal venous plexus, and along with the uterine venous plexus, these two helps in carrying out the deoxygenated venous blood away from the vagina. So these plexus, vaginal venous plexus, play a very important role in the venous drainage of vagina. So we have learnt about venous drainage also. Now let us learn about the nerve supply of vagina. Now nerve supply of vagina is maintained by a nerve plexus known as Utero-vaginal plexus. You can see the right side, it is written in green letter, Utero-vaginal plexus. This is a plexus which of nerve fibers which supplies both the uterus and vagina. So these nerve plexus is known as Utero-vaginal plexus. Mainly it supplies most of the upper part and most of the vagina, but the lower part of the vagina is supplied by another famous nerve, and that is known as Pudendal Nerve. So Pudendal Nerve also supplies the vagina, but Pudendal Nerve mainly supplies the lower part of the vagina, but the main supply of the vagina is Utero-vaginal plexus. Thank you for watching. We have so many other videos. We also have clinical anatomy series. You can follow us in Instagram. And if you like the video, please make a thumbs up and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for getting all the notification.